In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add price oscillator indicators in TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through this together step by step. So if you're new to TradingView or to technical indicators, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and add the price oscillator to your charts, and you'll be ready to start experimenting with it in your own trading. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look near the top of the interface for the button labeled Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, custom scripts, and technical studies. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. When you do, a new window or panel will pop up over your chart. Inside this panel, you'll see different categories and tabs. To narrow things down, find and click on the section called Technicals. This area is specifically for technical indicators that analyze price action, momentum, trends, and more. Selecting Technicals helps filter out other tools so you can quickly locate the indicator you're looking for without scrolling through a huge list. Once you're in the Technicals section, look for the search bar, usually at the top of the panel. Click into that search field and start typing Price Oscillator. You don't need to type the entire phrase perfectly. TradingView will begin suggesting indicators as you type. When you see Price Oscillator appear in the list of results, move your cursor over it and click on it once. As soon as you click, TradingView will automatically add the Price Oscillator to your chart. You'll see a new panel appear, usually below your main price chart, showing the oscillator line and its values. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name to access its settings, adjust the inputs, or change the visual style to match your preferences. This is helpful if you want to tweak the periods or colors so they fit better with the rest of your layout. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to follow along with all the same features, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll have access to the tools and layout options I'm demonstrating, and you can start building out your own indicator setup right away.